how to properly recover your Zangi account. Now, since we no longer have access to the account that we are trying to retrieve or to recover, using the application may not going to be helpful. So what you want to do is just to simply use any working web browser that you have on your mobile device, and then you simply type in Zangi support. In here, just simply choose on the very first result that will redirect you to Zangi contact support. So this is where you'll have to fill out necessary information, and then the information that you will key in here should be the one that you need to recover. Input the account name that you would like to be recovered. Company name is actually optional. The email address associated with the account that you're trying to retrieve, and then just simply explain on a simple way on what would you like to happen to the account. And here, you can choose to tick these boxes right here, whether you would like to have special offers and updates, as well as direct email. Now, just of course, complete this whole process and doing a basic CAPTCHA and then hit on send. And once everything is done, all you have to do is to wait for feedback coming from the support so that they can provide you better resolution. And that's it. That's how you properly recover your Zangi account.